Hi all, I want to be talking about the HS420 mini drone. This is a great indoor drone. It's made by Holystone. It has some great features. Some of the best features are these cages around these blades. Makes this a pretty safe little indoor drone. It's quick. It's almost indestructible. Like I say, almost. I mean, if you're going to step on it, it's going to break. But as far as crashable, you're not going to break this crashing it. You will break it if you step on it. That's for sure. But it's got a nice little camera. I'll add some video of this thing flying. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this for an indoor little drone. It's safe. Can knock things down, but it ain't gonna cut you. No stitches with this baby. But again, it will knock things down. Came with, mine did anyway, with 3 of these little tiny batteries. You use a USB charger to charge it in the back, which is pretty cool. Came in a nice little box. You can see. Nice little box. It was packaged nice. I bought this at Amazon for under $60. So it was pretty cool. Has a pretty cool little remote too. You know, hold your phone. So you can do some FPV. I've done it. It's great. You walk behind it and use the phone. Learn FPV. Because you can fly this in the house. This will go down a hallway sweatless. This is a blast. I have more fun with this than some of my outdoor drones that I have. This is great. Don't have to go outside. Fly this around your house. If you want to see obstacles, fly house. Just watch out for knocking things down, because she's pretty quick and she's stable. I'll show you some video a little later. Hopefully I can narrate it, and I don't want to hold you guys up too much on just garbage, okay? You can see how good the camera is. But yes, it has a nice little remote, little power button on and off. You know, the regular stuff, your trims, your up and down, the camera. It's got a great little app that you use for the FPV that I was talking about. ISO or your Android, whatever one you want to use. I'm sure you guys know how to do that stuff on your phones using an app. That's pretty cool. Don't try to fly it with the app. I already tried it. Good luck. I need a large area to learn that. But anyway, I definitely would say, if you want something to fly inside, have a lot of fun, I'd get me one of these. So for closing this video, here's a short video of how it flies. So enjoy.